Hello and welcome to Crypto Fork. In this video, we're going to speak about very important thing about few opinions. Why might be this is already the bottom? Why might be that we're going to the moon? And why might be that actually this is a dead cat bound and we're going to see new bottoms in the near future? We're going to speak about all these opinions, why I think that there is other opinion that we are going to speak about, that we're going to speak about fear and greed, about the short liquidation, about very important things. So guys, if you are still didn't click on the subscribe and the like button, this is the right time to do it, because sometimes I'm making video about the news that happening in the stock market and in the cryptocurrency market, but sometimes this is the right time to speak about the things that happening behind the scenes, the things that no one is speaking about them. And this is very important, because right now we're seeing a wonderful things that m- a lot big bloggers, big tweets, that more than 1 million of people are seeing that, telling us that the bottom is already in. But we see other bloggers that speaking that actually the bottom is already in, and we are going to see the all-time highs in 2024 2025. We are going to describe all these opinions in this video, and why I got a little bit, guys, a little bit different opinion. Why my opinion actually about 10 percentages of my opinion of what is going to happen in the near future is a little bit, maybe will sound weird, but it's very important to see this video from the beginning to the end. Of course, guys, click on the like and on the subscribe button and understand everything that I'm telling in this video, because what we saw in the last week might be something that no one is expecting. And look at what we are saw in the last 7 days in front of your eyes. That Bitcoin went up by 23 percentages, Ethereum 18 percentages, BNB 10 percentages, Ripple XRP 11 percentages. Here it's very important to look at BNB, Binance Coin, and of course at Ripple XRP, because might be in the next 2-3 months something is going to happen, something very big is going to happen against SEC, against all these cryptocurrencies that might be dump the markets. And this is very important. Please remember this opinion that might be in 2-3 months something is going to happen with BNB. And of course, everyone know already about the things that happening with SEC against the Ripple XRP. Look what happened to the Cardano in the last week. 11 percentages, Dogecoin 10 percentages, 19 percentages, 20 percentages, and Polygon Matic, and of course Solana. Just few minutes I want to speak about the Solana, because a lot of people are asking if it's already scammed or what is going to happen with Solana. What is my opinion with Solana? Guys, I'm seeing the development of the Solana. I know that Sam Beckman-Fried and Alameda Research have high amount of Solana in their bag. But this is very important, because you are seeing, because you are looking at the technologies of the Solana. You might look, you must look on the development of the Solana. You must look at what's happening with the NFTs on Solana. And who don't know, you can look at the biggest Solana secondary market for NFTs, Magic Eden, and you can see that a lot of collections are doing right now sold outs. And this is very important, because 6 months ago, when all the NFT things are just started to dump, and the volumes are started to dump, we didn't saw it. And right now we are seeing all these pumps that's going to the Solana, that are going to Magic Eden. And I think that Solana maybe will have second wave, of course, in the next bull market. I'm going to speak in this video again about the opinion when this bull market is going to come. I'm sure for 100% that people that will see this video since the button until the end will understand my opinion and why I think like that. We can see that actually the fear and greed index, guys, and this is very important, because first times since the last 9 months, guys, since March 2020, 2022, we are seeing this again, these opinions of natural, because in the last 9 months we was in the zone of fear, of extremely fear. And this is very very important, because everything right now is changing, all the opinions right now is changing. All the people, all right, that opened this crazy short position and made high amount of money in 2022, right now all over the 2022, this is very very important to understand it. Right now they are starting to lose their money. Right now the whales and the market makers are taking this money back, and this is very very important. And this is just another opinion why what I'm going to speak about in the last part of the video is might happen. And no one, guys, is expecting that it's going to happen. If you want to hear my opinion, again, guys, I'm not giving financial advice in my videos, but why I think that there is a 10 percentages, maybe even 5 percentages that is going to happen. But if you believe in this scenario, this is might change all your life. This video might change all your life. This opinion must might change all your life. And all these people who is waiting for 10, 12,000 might be wrecked. All these people that opening short position might be wrecked. And all these people that waiting to 25,000, 30,000, 45,000, and we are going to speak of course about these levels, might be wrecked, guys. And we can see that in the last 24 hours, 99, 98 percentages of all the people that actually got wrecked and liquidated, this is the people that open short position. Again, guys, if you are trading and you are opening this position, be careful. This is the right time, from my point of view, again, not a financial advice, to try to do it in the spot market, to buy or sell your Bitcoin if you believe in lower rates. But look what's happening right now in the market. Everyone, so this is the first opinion, everyone is actually, and I think that no one that watching this video is actually believing this in this opinion, but everyone right now is believe that Bitcoin is a scam, Bitcoin is a bad thing. I'm seeing right now in CNBC and a lot of newspapers that actually they are speak about Bitcoin, that Bitcoin is a negativity, that a lot of people lost their money in FTX, in other in Terra Luna Classic, that a lot of people are just losing their money in this market. And actually this is just making stronger my opinion why I think that 99 percentages right now are actually wrong. All right, so this is just point of view, this is just the first point of view of what is actually happening in the market. There is the first opinion. Of course, I don't think that someone is actually believing this opinion, because you are seeing this market and you are seeing this video that actually Bitcoin is dead. All right, and this ghost is going to kill Bitcoin in the next, I don't know, in the next years, maybe in the next months. So let's just speak about this opinion and let's move on. Let's move to the next step. Actually, it's very, very important to speak about the FTX again, because a lot of people are asking me about FTX. Guys, be careful with the FTX, because the regulations are coming for the cryptocurrency market. And before they will come for all the 22,296 of cryptos, they are going to touch all these cryptocurrencies like FTX, like Binance BNB. They are going to solve all the problems that happened with UST, with Terra Luna Classic, and with all this stuff where people are lost their money. And this is very, very important to understand, because I'm seeing right now a lot of people that, again, opening, I don't know why guys are doing that, and they are going direct and they are losing their money. But a lot of people are right now opening this long position, because guys, FTX made 206 percentages in the last months, and the price for FTX was 2.55 US dollars for one FTX tokens. Guys, Look at this graph, not with daily, but look at, because you are trading with leverage, look at this crazy, crazy graph. And this is very, very important to understand that all these people that opening short positions here, they are liquidated here. And all these people that open short positions, they are liquidated here. And then they had this chance to earn about about 20 percentages just in few hours. This is very important to understand that these people that actually trading with FTX right now and making these profits, they are very lucky people, because it's very important that before of these big moves and all these people that opened here, for example, long positions at 175, they are liquidated and wrecked here. And then they are didn't deserve to win in this long position. This is very, very important, because I'm seeing even right now big bloggers, big traders that opening right now with a leverage trading trades on FTX and just going direct. This is very, very important to understand that before these crazy moves to the upside, we are always seeing these moves to the downside that get wrecked all the long positions. All right. So let's go to the opinion number two. And this is very, very important, because this blogger, this El Chapo, and again, this is opinion number two that a lot of people are thinking about this opinion. 1.1 viewers, and this is very important to understand that there is 1.1 million of viewers that actually trading and making like ex capo, and they're making a huge, huge profits in 2022. That I think that right now the manipulator will take this money back, because you know that no one is actually making free giveaways, and no one is making here in the cryptocurrency market a free money. I think that all these people that made this money and heard to this blogger in 2022, that actually view, they have more than 1.1 million of views on every tweet, that actually this is very, very important to understand that more than 1.1 million is actually saw it, because there is a lot of people that are speaking about the same scenario, the same people that heard and listened to El Capo and made money, but actually got liquidated in the last 24 hours, that they are getting liquidated in the last days. And this is very, very important to understand this point of view, because these people are going direct. And this is the second option that of these people that actually opened all this position, that right now are waiting for this 10, 12,000 diapason. And these people that making this crazy, crazy resistance at 19,000, at 20,000, 25,000, and even on 30,000, this is the same people that will open the short position at 30,000. This is actually the diapason of where Elon Musk opened, tried to buy the Bitcoin. This is the same people that will open this short position at 30,000, because they are already opened all over the year short position, and they are made high amount of money. I think that this 700 of million that liquidated since Friday to Sunday, I think that this money is going to be backed to the manipulators, and of course to the money makers. And this is very, very important to understand it, because always there is resistance to the all-time highs. There is a resistance at 20,000, at 25,000, 30,000, 45,000. A lot of people are came to the cryptocurrency market. Of course, at 50,000 and with all-time high, always people will open new short position. This is very, very important to understand that. Actually, what I believe, why 90 percentages of my opinion is believe, as is that what is plan B is speaking, and this is very, very important to understand that 640,000 viewers just saw this opinion. And this is opinion number three. Of course, this is very, very important to see opinion number one, number two, and this opinion number three, to understand why I think and why there is a 5 percentages that what I'm going to tell you in few minutes is going to happen. and this is going to be a life-changing money. Again, I'm giving 95 percentages to scenario number 3, but 10 percentages to the scenario number 4. But this is going to be life-changing money. And of course, the scenario number 3, what I'm really believing in that in November 2022 we already saw the bottoms. Again, might be that this is not the bottom, might be that we're going to see the bottom in the next few months of 40,000, 30,000. But this is doesn't matter actually, the thing number one that he's telling about. But actually, everyone, and a lot of bloggers, a lot of technical analysis, even a lot of new members that came just to the cryptocurrency market, everyone know that after the halving, this is the best time to buy cryptos, and after the halving, you are going to be rich. You are going to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, ADA, Cardano, or never mind what you're going to buy. You are always will make money, because after the halving, everyone is predicting 30,000, 40,000, 25,000. And actually, I really believe in that. And this is why I'm giving to this scenario a 95 percentages. And that's after, and actually the main bull market will come in 2025. After the halving, it will went 1 year, and then the bull market will come. 95 percentages is actually, I think that believing in this scenario, guys, this is very, very important actually to give like and subscribe to this to my channel. And it's very, very important to write your comments and your thoughts in the comments below, because 95 percentages is actually believing that the bottom is already reached, and we are going to get pumped a little bit every week, every month, until the halving, and then of course will come the bull market. But what I'm going to tell you right now, and this is very, very important, and this is have a very, very huge connection to what we are seeing right now in front of your eyes, the fear and greed index, that nothing is so positive is happened, but already we are on natural. Look at the graph, look at the Bitcoin. Let's open the daily chart. Look at the Bitcoin daily chart. You can see always, guys, yeah, you can see always these higher lows, lower highs, all right, and lower lows. This is very, very important, because the trend is your friend until the end. And this is very, very important to see what's happening here, because we are still in bearish trend, and we still never, even not one time, broke higher the highs. And this is very, very important, because what's happening right now is actually in 21,500 we are going to finally break this diapason on the daily chart. But what if, and this is very important, and congratulations for everyone that saw this video until the end and until this moment, what if the scenario of 2013 is going to happen again? And what if the all-time highs of 2013, that everyone thought that it's the all-time highs of 230, is not really the all-time highs of this bull cycle, that actually came after half a year after we saw these all-time highs, and everyone thought that the next all-time highs will be in 2017? Actually, the same thing that's happening right now. Just think about it. Just think about it, because this is very, very important, because from what I'm seeing, a lot of bloggers, a lot of technical analysis, people that making this technical analysis have a little bit lower views. It means that there is a lot of people that right now are watching the trading, and this is not the things of the bear market. This is not things that happening when the bottom is reached. Again, I'm giving 5 percentages that this scenario might happen. But what if, guys? What if we reach the bottom, but we didn't reach the all-time highs for the bull cycle in 2021? No one is expecting that, and this is very, very important, because what I'm seeing, and again, write your comments below. The opinion number one, I saw all over the internet, CNBC, all the newspapers. Opinion number two, I'm seeing that's a lot of Twitter, a lot of YouTube. Opinion number three of Plan B, everyone is actually thinking about that. But what if we are going to see a crazy bull market in the next 2-3 months, that we are going to reach all-time highs? Again, I don't think that it's going to look exactly the same thing. I don't think that we are going to see these all-time highs so small as we are seeing that here. But what if we are going to reach 90, 100,000 and no one is expecting that, because everyone is already know that this is going to happen in 2024, 2025. Just think about it, because on the cryptocurrency market, there is a high amount of people that doing like everyone is doing. And everyone is doing by scenario number one, number two, number three. Actually, I'm not believing this scenario that we are going to see the all-time highs in the next 2-3 months. But what if it's going to happen, guys? Because there is a lot of the Amazons where we can open this short position and get wrecked. Because people are even looking at what's happened here, at this pump from 3,000 to 14,000, and people are thinking that this is going to happen again, that we are going to reach level of 21, 25, 30, 45, 50, 69,000, and then we are going to wreck. And then in 2024, we are going to see the next all-time high. But what if we already start this pump to all-time highs? And again, just think about it. Just think about this opinion, because no one is speaking about it. And there is a lot of people that open short positions all over the 2022 and actually make great money. All these people that watch this El Capo, more than 1.1 millions, that have more than 1.1 millions of viewers on each tweet. And this is very, very important. This is the key. No one is speaking about it. No one is thinking that this is going to happen. In 2017, in 2021, no one is even expected that this is going to be the all-time highs. So maybe no one is expecting that this is the button. Guys, click on the like button, subscribe button, write your opinion in the comments below. This is very, very important. And let's see and follow this scenario. I am giving to this scenario 5-10 percentages. And everyone that actually watching my videos know that I'm 80 percentages in the market and spot market, and 20 percentages are waiting for new lows. But what if the scenario that I spoke about is going to happen? Thank you very much for watching my video. See you in the next cryptocurrency video. It was Crypto Fork. Bye bye.